It boosted my confidence, this 8-week workshop in Zara Stars with Coach Leo Wong. It developed my acting abilities because I learned a lot of ways in dealing and in attacking and preparing for a character through Coach Leo. It helped me a lot in how to act well in front of the camera, and I did learn new ways and tricks in how to prepare yourself before going in front of the camera.
You could just have slept earlier in the evening and then wake up early today in the morning and prepare me a sumptuous meal.
At the beginning, I was it was my first acting class, and I was very nervous. And now at the end, I feel like I'm a little bit better.
This is my house, diplomatic with money.
When I started this class, I really had confidence. Every time I come to this class, now that's my 8th, and I really felt that I have confidence more than before. So I'm really lucky to be here. So yeah.
Because I care about her! Morning, noon, and night I care about her!
I didn't have any experience before, so it's my first experience, and these 8 weeks, of course, totally changed. Constantly, I would say, every class here, everyone is supporting each other. We all, someone have more experience, someone not, but anyway, I appreciate a lot that Coach Leo, especially because he was the only coach here in this workshop, he taught us life.
I think Zara Stars, this is a place to be right now in UAE for acting. I met a few people who are on the same journey.
Sometimes we wish that one of us will trip over and fall on her face, but I have already done it.
And if you are being a pain in the ass, which you are, or hurting your feelings, because in 2 minutes you will do the next pain in the ass thing.